Hello friends, welcome back. As promised, I am bringing another recipe for you, summer recipe, which is watermelon raita. This is really very delicious and I am adding some dry fruits, roasted dry fruits for the crunchiness. The fruit itself is so sweet that it hardly requires any other ingredients. So with just few ingredients, this raita turns out so delicious that you can enjoy it as a snack by itself in between your meals also. Cool and refreshing watermelon raita. Let's make it.
Watermelon raita, a perfect one for summers. For this we'll require watermelon pieces, about 2 to 3 cups. Cut them into small pieces and de-seed them. Yogurt, about 250 grams. Handful of roasted walnuts. Some pumpkin seeds roasted. Fresh mint leaves chopped finely. Roasted cumin powder half teaspoon. Black pepper quarter teaspoon. Salt quarter teaspoon. The ingredient list is also available in the description box. Now take a large bowl and transfer the watermelon pieces. Add whisked yogurt. Use nice and thick yogurt in this as the water content is there in the fruit. Add little salt, black pepper, roasted cumin powder, chopped mint leaves. Give it a gentle mix. Mint and watermelon go very well together. The combination of these two flavors is amazing. This raita is a nice way to consume watermelon in summer. You can add more yogurt if required. Those who like chaat masala can also add little bit if you wish. Now the mixing is done. Check the taste. Adjust if required. Add the roasted walnuts and pumpkin seeds. If the watermelon is not sweet, you can add little bit of honey also. I'm saving some for garnishing. Raita is ready. Very quick, just few minutes it takes. Dish it out and serve it chilled. Lovely. It's so tempting. Garnish with some walnuts and pumpkin seeds. Yummy, yummy. This can also be enjoyed in between meals as a snack. So friends, do give this raita a try. Such raitas are so very enjoyable in summers. And watermelon is one such fruit you should consume a lot in summers. It keeps you hydrated. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from the archives. You might like them too. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye until then.